Ashanti Knowles, Mangrove Bush Primary, my grandmother. I didn't have the luxury of knowing my grandmother from birth until now. I first met her when I was 2 years old, but she really accepted me and has become an inspiration in my life. We sat down every day and talked about her childhood. The things she told me were very shocking. It's amazing how my grandmother Flossie means so much to me. It has always been true that the most down-and-earth informed person in my family is my grandmother. I have always looked up to my grandmother, and she is definitely a person that deserves to be looked up to. She is always there for me. She is the best listener and never criticizes anyone, even if you make her mad. I love my grandmother very much. She has taught me to be a good person and to respect others and myself. I know she may not be here with me forever, so I try to enjoy every day with her. Then I can be sure that I will always have her in my heart. My grandmother has taught me so much things. Without my grandmother, I would be lost. Most of the time I may do something wrong, but my grandmother will always be there and love me unconditionally. My grandmother Flossie is the best grandmother in the whole world.